Hey everyone! Today, I've got a quick tutorial for you on how to fix the issue of YouTube Premium not downloading videos. It's frustrating when you expect to have your favorite videos available offline and then find out they didn't download. Let's dive right into the solution. So, the common reason for this problem is that your phone might be set to download videos only over Wi-Fi and not using your carrier's data. Let's change that setting so you can download videos anytime, anywhere. First, open YouTube. Now, tap on your profile, located at the bottom right corner, to bring up this menu. Then, click on the settings icon located at the top right corner. Once you're in settings, look for the offline option. That is probably fourth last option. And click on it. Here's the crucial step. You'll see an option that says download over Wi-Fi only. If this is toggled on, your videos will only download when you're connected to Wi-Fi. Let's turn this off to allow downloads over your carrier's data as well. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Now, whether you're on Wi-Fi or using your carrier's data, your videos should download without any issues. If you've tried this and it still doesn't work, there might be another issue with your YouTube Premium subscription. In that case, you might want to reach out to YouTube support for further assistance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.